This is an overview of the Dolphin CAD CAM system. We have milling, turning and wire EDM modules. The starting point for many operations is the 2D CAD system, where we can create the geometry or import DXF files. The milling module has 2D, 2.5D, 3-axis and 4th axis wrapping. The lathe module has 2-axis front or rear turret configurations. The wire EDM module has 2-axis, 2-axis with taper cutting and full 4-axis control. All of the machining modules can use the full 3D machine tool simulation. The post-processing system is common to all the machining modules. If your machine tools have RS-232 ports, PartMaster has a built-in DNC module. The PM3D module allows IGES and step files to be imported and 2D shapes to be extracted. Involute gears can also be designed and incorporated into PartMaster. MillPro allows IGES, step and STL files to be imported, as well as having basic CAD functionality. MillPro's machining module allows machining directly onto 3D models. MillPro uses the same simulation and post-processor module as PartMaster.